2 in grams per liter, which is already here. So it means that we shall say this number of moles, which is 0.1 mole of the acid. Let me just write the correct formula of the acid, the hydrated acid, that is 0, that is Zn water. It weighs, the mass is, this is the mass in 1 liter, this is the moles in 1 liter. So this moles weighs this mass, which is 12.6 grams. Then what of only 1 mole? 1 mole of Zn water, the whole of this compound, it weighs, it will be 12.6 times 1 over 0.1 gram. So this one is the same as 12.6 times 10, which gives us 126 grams. That's the mass of 1 mole of this compound Zn water. Now let me use this upper part here, since the body is a bit small for us, to get what we are supposed to calculate in D Roman 1. So in D Roman 1, we are supposed to calculate the number of moles of water of crystallization given by N in this compound here, Zn water. So what we shall do is, that's now D Roman 1, we shall have to say Z dot with N moles of water of crystallization, its total mass is 126 grams. That's the, in this one is the value of, this is the value of the relative formula mass of this compound here. So let us get it. We have been given that Z is 90. So it is 90 plus the whole of N times water, that is 1 times 2 plus 16. And we equate it to 126. So 90 plus 18N is equal to 126. And 18N is equal to 126 minus 90. And what do we get in this case? Let us use our dear calculator to help us here. So let us get it. 126 minus 90, we get a total of 36. So 18N is equal to 36. And then what of N? N is 36 divided by 18, a very important step. And N is equal to 2. So that means the number of moles of water crystallization, which is here, N is 2. Meaning that this compound is Z dot 2 water. That is the formula of our hydrated compound. And finally, they want the percentage of water crystallization. Let us use this part here for the sake of convenience. Percentage of water of crystallization. The percentage of water crystallization is equal to the mass of water crystallization, that is 2 times water divided by the mass of this compound here, which is 126, we got it here, and we multiply by 100. So this one is 2 times 1 times 2 plus 16 out of 126 times 100. So this one is 18 times 2, which is 36 over 126 times 100. And what do we get? So it is 36 times 100, and we divide by 126. So we have 28.571 428.57%. And if we want to round it, say, to 2 decimal places, it becomes 28.57%. We can see that we started by writing the whole of this one, the the whole of this value that we have got from our calculator. And this is how we can get the percentage of water crystallization from a practical type question, as we have seen here in a practical format, a question in a practical format. So thank you for watching these step talks.